Hello. In this video, you'll learn how AI chatbots can revolutionize your content creation process, from brainstorming ideas to writing polished articles. AI chatbots are intelligent tools that understand natural language and generate human-like responses. They're perfect for writers, marketers, educators, and creators who want to save time and boost creativity. Need fresh ideas? Just ask. AI chatbots can instantly generate blog topics, video concepts, or social media post ideas tailored to your niche. Once you have your topic, let the chatbot help you write. Ask it to create outlines, introductions, or even full drafts. Then review and refine. Already have a draft? Paste it into the chatbot and ask for improvements. It can fix grammar, enhance clarity, and adjust tone to match your audience. Some chatbots can even help with visuals, suggesting image ideas, video scripts, or captions for your posts. To get the best results, be specific with your prompts. Always review the output and remember AI is your creative partner, not a replacement. Popular AI chatbots include ChatGPT, Copilot, Jasper, and Notion AI. Try a few and see which one fits your workflow best.
And that's it. You've now learned how to use AI chatbots for content creation.
If you found this helpful, follow us for more.